next step I'll be starting on the door bars. I'm going to make this bar the solid bar and then split the other side. Before I start tacking the door bars in, I just have to weld the areas that I can't get to once the door bars are tacked in the car. Machining oil on the inside, and obviously when you're welding them up it can cause trouble, so what I use is just a bit of cloth and just make sure it goes through. Piece is the dashboard bar. I'm going to cut it and fit it, but I won't weld it in because I don't know exactly how high it needs to be with a Peugeot dashboard in the car. So I'm going to cut it
shape it and just sit it in the car for now. Next up is the main hoop lateral. I'm going to make it the same as the 206 WRC, which is a boomerang shaped tube, one piece obviously, that goes down to the centre and up and meets the side door bars. Essentially it's going to be a boomerang shaped hoop, something like so, and it will meet the door bars. Bend on a 3mm plate. That seems to be about right. The next job is to make a start on the rear stays of the roll cage. So the first thing to do is to make a supporting bracket plate for the rear struts. My plan on the plates, sometimes simpler is better. I'm going with a square plate that's going to be welded to the front of the strut. The only benefit, the small benefit of having this curved around is having the rear strut lateral bar slightly further back, and with this square plate it's going to be about 1 inch or so forward, so the effort of trying to bend it around without heating it up is going to be too much just for that